Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 1st, and we're going to talk a little bit about our single seed challenge. Now, what I'm doing today is I'm planting this little baby. This is my first one. Now, as those that follow, this is my second one. This is 2.0. Now, it's much taller than that, but as you know or should know with tomatoes, you take and plant these things deeper. Now I'm trimming off these bottom leaves off of here, taking care of my little baby. And what I'm going to do is we're just going to turn this over. We'll get this pot. You can see it's got some nice roots going out of that pot. And we're going to put it down in this hole. And as you can see, this one's not going to be very tall either by the time I get finished with it. Now, I don't amend this hole or anything. I'm going to make these roots want to go out and find some nutrients to get a good path to grow. I will come back here afterwards and I'll put some chicken manure and kind of water just underneath the plant to get the chicken manure to go in. And I might even come back and put some more compost around this plant to, now I want to firm it up, but I might put some more compost around it just to give its roots something else to run into and to keep the chicken manure underneath the ground. Now we don't have as much problem planting in the greenhouse like this because as far as a lot of your common diseases like you'd have with some of your plants outside, we don't have that when we plant in the greenhouse. We end up with a few other diseases that might be possible, so we got to watch this close. Greenhouses stay a whole lot more humid, and that humidity on the plants can cause problems, but what we'll do is as this grows up and as it sets and blooms, we'll keep this thing really trimmed up good. Eventually what I'm going to do is I'll set a wire up on the ceiling that I can run strings from and run these up to it. Now I have several plants in here. I have I think 5 different varieties, maybe 6, and we'll just let this thing grow. But what I want to talk to you about is the single seed challenge for those of you that don't know. The single seed challenge is a challenge that was started by Scott Head, and it's Single Seed Challenge 2021. And what this is you take one seed and you watch it from the start till it ends its life. And now I'm planting this kind of early. It's still not past our average frost date, but being I have it in the greenhouse and I can do ground cover on it, I should be able to keep it protected unless we get some really bad low temperatures. And that's what happened with my other tomatoes that were in here. I did save one space for my single seed challenge in here, but I had plenty of room after the others gone. But what you do is you take that one seed, you make a video of when you plant it. You pick out your seed, doesn't matter what it is. Take and shoot a video of it. Get someone to help you if you can. It doesn't matter how good your video skills are. Take a photo of you planting it and what date it was, and then as it progresses up, and you can go back and you can see through mine where this started, what happened, why I've got 2 single seed challenges here, all that information. But then when you post it with the hashtag single seed challenge. Now you'll see that down in the description. And if you click that hashtag, what that will do is take you to all the single seed challenges, 2021 single seed challenges. And you'll be able to see all the rest of the people that are involved in this, and it's usually quite a few. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my little Black Beauty single seed survives here good. I'm going to put my tag right there by it. And we'll water all these in, and hopefully they'll do good. If you like this video, well, hit that thumbs up, share it so it helps out my channel. And if you want to see more of them, subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified. Happy gardening.